Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is ES testing it, and all you need to do is to when you click on the link I'll be leaving on this video description now. So ES will be having an airdrop, and this is a wallet, and they are on the testing it phase. They will be launching soon, so you wouldn't want to miss this now. So all you need to do is to when you click on the link I'll be leaving on this video description now, it will bring you to this interface. When you get to this interface, when you click on start, it will bring you to this interface. Then you click on account. Do you see the account below? When you click on account, you select this network. You see these two network above. You select this Polygon Mumbai. Do you see that? You select it, Polygon Mumbai. Then you click on MetaMask, and then if the network is not in your wallet, it will be added up. Do you get? So it will be added to your wallet, and then also, if you don't have a Mesos browser, get a Mesos browser or a Kiwi browser, then install MetaMask extension over there. It will be easy for you. You understand? And then you connecting your wallet, you'll be needing an invite code. So check this video description, there will be an invite code there, and also you check Telegram channel, there will be an invite code too on Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. So after inputting the code, it will bring you to your wallet. You click on sign in. So guys, once it's connected, a notification will pop up saying MetaMask connected. Do you understand? So now once it's connected, all you have to do now is to click on the profile again. You understand? You click on this profile again. This is where the real work is now. If you click on the profile, you notice that it's connected. You will see my ticket favorite. This thing needs to load, so I need to give it time for it to load well so that we can see the details ahead. Look at this now. So all we need to do is to click on add funds. Do you see that? You are not paying anyone. You understand? You are not paying anyone. So when you click on add funds now, it will bring us to this interface. We say now the project is in the testing phase. Like I said, testing it. You can get test token by performing the following activities. So fill out your X account in your profile, repost to it, and then all we have to do now is to click on in profile. This is the first one now. So we need to get the first one done. Say repost our tweet, subscribe to our Twitter account, S Twitter account other than what. So you need to make sure that your S account is a month plus. So and now here is it, settings. When you click on that profile, it will bring you to this interface. We say link account, add social media links and verify them for trust and get reward for trust. Do you understand? So you click on link account. Now we are going to link our X account, our Discord account, our Telegram account, and our email. So I'm going to do that right away. When you click on connect, so it's loading. So when you click on connect, it will take you to this interface. So you're actually going to give it permission to access your X account. So it will bring you to this interface. You click on authorize app. It's loading. You have to authorize your X account. It will now redirect you back to the home page, to the SNES home page. Now I say we confirm your Twitter with a few moments. Make sure that your account is a month plus. You understand what I mean? It's actually loading. So guys, once it brings you to this interface, you have to click our display name. I'll just input my display name, and then I'll add my username, Eesee, then public description, financial enthusiast. Yes, this is fine. Just like this is my invite code. So I'll be leaving this invite code on this video description. Do you understand? Then I'll click on apply. You need to do this. So it will say congratulations, your profile has been set. You understand? So now we need to go back. This is our X account. Our X account is already there. So now we need to connect our Discord account. We need to go back to profile. We need to go back to this interface again. And then we're going to add our Discord. The Twitter is there. Do you see that? So our Twitter is set. I need to add my Discord and the rest. I need to add them. So for us to get more rewards and all that, I need to like add them. So okay, first of all, before we add those Discord and Telegram, let's just make this repost so that we can get this testnet token, and then we proceed to the next phase. So guys, this is Eesee's account, their S and their S handle. So now click on repost, and then I'll click on like. I'll just bookmark it in case for easy access. Then I'll go back now, click on this done. Do you see done below? You click on it. So it's loading. So once it's done loading, I'm going to click on this interface. Take all the steps. So guys, once it's done loading, I'm going to click on get token. Do you see that below? So all the tasks we are going to perform here will be getting those tokens and the gas fee for free. You say congratulations, you are all full-fledged resident of Eesee. So soon you will receive a test token on your account within 1 minute. Now you can make purchase with the received token, create your own loss and get reward. So I'll click on this get started now. So the funds will be showing here. Once it drops, it will be here. So we need to add our Discord account for future use. So just click on this where I clicked. So this is our profile. When you click on profile, you click on this setting above. Do you see the setting above? You click on this setting. Sorry about that. I want you guys to I want this to be very easy for everyone to understand. So now click on link account. Yes, now click on Discord connect. We need to connect all these things. So once you click on connect Discord, you click on it bring you this interface. You click on authorize. We all know how to access Discord account. If you don't have a Discord account, get one on the Play Store. Set it up, register and set it up. You understand? We confirm your Discord. Wait a few moments. So automatically it will be confirmed. It has been linked. Did you see that? It doesn't take time. So the next one is to connect our Telegram account. You just click on connect Telegram account. Then it will redirect you to the Telegram. So now here is the Telegram. Now you click on accept. Do you see that? Once we click on accept, we need to go back to our Telegram account. So if you go to your Telegram account, you're going to see a message like this. You are not going to take any action. You will see you have successfully logged in on Eesee via Eesee validator bot. The website receives your username and profile picture. Do you understand that? So you don't need to take any action. So now I'm back to this interface. You just have to refresh it. We have linked our wallet, so we have linked our socials. It's remaining our email. So if you see connect account after linking it, no cause for alarm is going to reflect. So guys, I don't know why the Telegram one is not reflecting. Anyways, the next is to add our email. So we need to add our email account here now. So guys, after adding up your email, you send receive mail. So this interface, if you go to your email, you will see, hey friend, we welcome you in SS. family, you are almost ready to start receiving exclusive news and rewards. So simply click the big green button below to verify your email address. So you say let's stay in touch. You just click on it. It will redirect you to their site, and that way your email will be verified. So guys, once you click on that email on your phone, you don't need to take any action again. It's going to redirect you. If you look below, you will see you if you look below, you're actually going to see something like connect wallet first and all that. You just have to ignore it. So guys, even after verifying your email and your telegram and it's still not showing up, like mine. I've verified my email twice. When you click on the link they will send you on your email, it will redirect you to their page. Now you need to log in with your wallet. It connects your wallet again, and if it insists, if it keeps showing up something like this, you just ignore it. Now let's go back to the main thing now that we are here. You click on this reward. Remember that when you click on your profile now, when you click on your profile, automatically that funds has been given to you, $50 and $32 of a worth of Ethereum. You can actually see them here. Look at them here. This is $50 USDC, and then we're actually going to use this for something. You can't withdraw it, just so you know. So now all we need to do now is to click on reward. Do you see reward? Also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I'll be updating you guys on steps and tips on how to buy, on how to go on this SNS on this airdrop of it. And I'll be releasing videos, tasks. So stay tuned. Join my Telegram channel. Join my WhatsApp group. If you have not subscribed, subscribe so that you will not be left out. This is testnet. This is testnet. They are in testnet phase, and you know how testnet has been rewarding people recently. Now you need to you wouldn't want to miss this because it's very simple. If you take all these steps that I showed you, it's simple. It's very simple. So now you click on reward. This is reward below. Before account, this is reward. You have to click on reward. They have given us that token. So this is reward now. So season 1 challenge, you see endpoint through in-app activity and quest. The more active you are, the more challenge you complete, the more points you will accumulate. Top the leaderboard and secure exclusive prize for your effort. Coming soon, an option to exchange your points. So guys, is loading. The quest and the point that we're actually going to claim now is loading. Just give it a little time. So this is the level 1. Say your reward 0 points. This is it. Season 1 ends to be announced soon. So this is it. Say SNS try. So friendnet active users with your unique invite code. So the first one is this unlock. You click, this is what I did. You click on this first one 0/8. Do you see that? This one is locked. This is the one that you need to click on now, the first one. Do you see that? So when you click on it, it will say begin your SNS adventure today, where your interaction leads to reward. Link up, follow tweets. So now unlock, it said unlock your SNS adventure. Begin your SNS adventure. Connect your wallet to unlock exclusive access. We have done that. So click our 100 points. So stay in loop, stay ahead on your journey with SNS updates. Follow us on at we have done that. We have to click on that now. We get our reward. So it will say the more you claim, the more option you get. You say join the SNS conversation. Follow the this Covey on Twitter and gain insight. So we have to follow this person now. So amplifying your SNS voice, you will know after the previous level. So we click on this. We have to follow the person that they say we should follow so that we can earn this 100 points. It's very simple. So stay tuned. Join my Telegram channel so that you will not be left out on other tasks. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime. And I know you wouldn't want to miss this $5,000. Like it's 5,000 and more than people made up to 5K, 7K dollars, $1,000. I mean, so guys, testnet is rewarding people recently, so we have to click on follow. So we are following the person that we say we should, founder and CEO. So this is their CEO we are following. 5 years experience, 5 plus 5 years of experience, through adventure, through Eesee's, and we don't really care. Like, we just have to go back and claim this 100 points. It's very important to us. So the more tasks you perform, the more points you earn. So now it said declare error. If the error persists, please contact the SNS support. We have to like give it time and then we click it again. It said stay ahead. This one is still checking. We are following SNS already now, so it's checking. So I will have to give it time. You understand? So these are the tasks you need to perform. Amplify your SNS voice. Connect to your Discord account. We have done that. Join SNS Discord server. Then connect to your Telegram account. All these ones now I have to claim it. This is the interface, this is the first season. So the second season now is going to be, this is locked. So once they unlock it, I'll do a video about that. The third one, lot launcher, complete the sale of approval. So this token that they give us is going to be of use on all these things now. So it's not a must that you must partake in all of them, but at least this first one now, if you accumulate these points now, that it's 100 point times 8, you accumulate all of them. If you can just participate in few 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 of them, if you can't participate in all of them, you just participate in 5 tasks, then you are good to go. You are sure of them rewarding you. So that's just it, guys. If there is any other thing, I'll update you guys. So do way to perform this phase 1 now is just to follow them on Twitter and then link your social media accounts, and it's very simple. I've showed you on how to link them. So if the error persists, you give it time and try it again. So that'll be all for now, guys. If there is any other thing, I'll update you guys. So join my Telegram channel, join my WhatsApp group. That'll be all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.